good afternoon, good evening. This is Kilo 1 Alpha Papa Delta saying what's up. Let me turn the volume down here. All right, now you guys can probably hear me. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys something so maybe you guys can help me out. I know this is like some kind of RF interference, but you know how they're spaced equally apart there. And you see these little lines. Oh, wait a minute. I got to put it so you guys can see. There we go. Much better. So anyway, you see these right here? I know there's some kind of RF interference. Then you have these that go across. I have no idea what they are. But anyway, that's on 10 meters. Let's go to 12 meters. Now 12 meters, you can see the going back and forth, back and forth. Look at that. Look at the spectrum up here and stuff. See how it goes back and forth, back and forth. I like to know what this is. You know, if you guys have an idea so I could start knowing where to look to figure out the problem. Um, and I don't know, this is kind of weird though. The way it goes back and forth. It's like someone's tuning a knob or something or impulse. Now, my neighbor does have what do you call solar panels, and he's got the whatever transformer, whatever you want to call it, next to the house, which is closer to my house, but I'm on the opposite side of my house. So this way, you know, hopefully I wouldn't get my antennas also at the opposite side of this house. But anyway, that's 12 meters. Let's see what 15 meters look like. I'm gonna bring this smaller here. Once again, here, here, and here. And look how this is, and this is like, you know what I mean? That's 15 meters there. And this is like really high. Now we're gonna go to 17 meters. Let's look at 17 meters. See, it's the same thing, but if you notice, this one is double. You know, 1, 2 here. Wow, look how dead this is right here. This is a. But anyway, same thing here. So I know I'm. You know what? Let me turn off this light for a second. Let's see. No, nothing happened there. Turn the light back on. Actually, let's go. What was it? 12? Was it 12? Okay. So that's the one that's going back and forth. Let's shut off this light. No, but you notice how those lines came across there? And shut it off again. Turn it on. The light's actually connected right to my power supply. So it's not like a little transformer. Now let's go back and shut it off again. As you notice when I shut it off, look at all those extra lines there. Huh. That's strange. But anyway. 17 meters. Look at this. Unbelievable. Let's go to 20 meters. Let's make this small. See? It's like every 100. That's 100, 200, 300. I don't know. 30 meters. What's this? Is this someone actually talking over here, or is that a radio station? Brother stare. I don't know. So, but they're all in here. Let's go to 40 meters. Bring it down so I can see the spectrum. I mean the waterfall. You see it right here? Look at that. Look at all this. Are we having some kind of solar flare right now? Let's see. Back close. Solar flare PRP 59%. Geomag field quiet. Noise level S1 to S2. But guess what? Not mine's. Mine's at a S5. So that's 40 meters, 60 meters. Actually, I don't have it set for 60 meters. But look at it, just for ha-has. And then 80 meter, I don't have my dipole hooked up, so there shouldn't be nothing on there. So, ooh, look at this, sound nice. Imagine right here you could be able to talk. No noise over there. And 160, look at this. And no, I don't have an antenna for that. But for some reason, I can hear people talking there. But look at all this stuff. I need to figure out what that stuff is. I really do. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you guys. Hopefully you guys could give me some tips and idea how to figure out what that stuff is, what the problem is, and how I should go about figuring out the problem. I do know that you guys say, you have to turn off all the power in your house and start from there, which is okay, but I got a battery to operate the Sun SDR, but I don't have nothing to operate the monitors and stuff. So I don't know. I'll figure something out. So anyway, this has been your boy Adrian, aka Kilo 1 Alpha Papa Delta. I just want to say, if you guys can help me out, I would appreciate it. So let me know and see if I can figure this thing out. Thank you guys. Peace.